Imagine driving down a winding road where ancient vineyards stretch as far as the eye can see. Medieval villages whisper centuries-old secrets, and the air carries the scent of fresh-baked pastries and crisp ocean breezes. No crowds, no rush, just you, the open road, and Portugal's most breathtaking hidden gems. Forget the tourist traps. This is the Portugal you've been dreaming of. A land where every cobblestone street has a story, every sip of wine tells a tale, and every sunset over the Douro Valley feels like it was painted just for you. Buckle up, because we're about to take a journey through Portugal's enchanted backroads where timeless beauty, world-class vineyards, and fairytale villages are waiting to steal your heart. Let's go! The allure of Portugal's hidden gems. While Lisbon and Porto often steal the spotlight, it's the lesser-known villages and countryside that truly capture the essence of Portugal. In 2025, Portugal is expected to welcome over 33 million visitors, many of whom are seeking authentic experiences away from the typical tourist trails. This surge in tourism reflects a growing appreciation for the country's rich tapestry of culture, history, and natural beauty. Travelers are increasingly drawn to the tranquil charm of Portugal's rural landscapes, where traditional lifestyles continue much as they have for centuries. The allure lies in the opportunity to explore unspoiled regions, interact with locals, and immerse oneself in the genuine Portuguese way of life. As the world becomes more connected, the desire for such authentic experiences has only intensified, making Portugal's hidden gems more appealing than ever. Douro Valley, the cradle of port wine. The Douro Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its terraced vineyards that have been producing port wine for centuries. The region offers a blend of deep red, fresh white, and aged tawny ports, each telling a story of the land and its people. In recent years, the Douro has also gained recognition for its unfortified wines, with dry Douro DOC table wines shaping the modern fate of the valley. This evolution reflects the region's adaptability and commitment to quality, ensuring that the Douro remains at the forefront of the global wine scene. Visitors can explore numerous quintas, wine estates, where they can learn about traditional winemaking processes, stroll through historic vineyards, and, of course, indulge in tastings that showcase the valley's diverse wine portfolio. The Douro Valley's combination of breathtaking scenery and rich viticultural heritage makes it a must-visit destination for wine enthusiasts and casual travelers alike. Pinhão, a riverside gem. Nestled along the Douro River, Pinhão is a picturesque village surrounded by terraced vineyards. It's an ideal spot to explore local wineries and enjoy a traditional lunch at a local restaurant accompanied by wines from the region. The village's train station is famous for its azulejo tiles depicting scenes of the Douro Valley's wine production. Taking a leisurely boat ride along the river offers stunning views of the terraced hillsides and provides a unique perspective on the region's beauty. Pinhão serves as a gateway to the heart of the Douro Valley, offering visitors an authentic taste of its winemaking traditions and scenic landscapes. The enchanting village of Obidos. Obidos, with its well-preserved medieval architecture, offers a glimpse into Portugal's rich history. The village's cobblestone streets, whitewashed houses, and historic castle make it a must-visit destination. Visitors can walk along the ancient city walls for panoramic views, explore charming shops selling local crafts, and indulge in the famous cherry liqueur, gingina, served in edible chocolate cups. Throughout the year, Obidos hosts various festivals, including a medieval market and a chocolate festival, adding to its allure. The village's timeless beauty and vibrant cultural scene make it a favorite among travelers seeking a blend of history and charm. Alentejo, rolling plains, and rustic charm. The Alentejo region, known for its vast plains and traditional villages, offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the local culture and traditions. The region is renowned for its rich gastronomy, including dishes like migas and acorda, and its robust red wines. Exploring the whitewashed villages, visiting ancient megalithic sites, and enjoying the unspoiled landscapes are among the many attractions that make Alentejo a unique destination. The region's commitment to sustainable tourism ensures that its natural beauty and cultural heritage are preserved for future generations. Sintra, a fairytale escape. Just a short drive from Lisbon, Sintra is a town filled with whimsical palaces, lush gardens, and mist-covered hills. The colorful Pena Palace and the mysterious Quinta da Regaleira are among its top attractions. Visitors can explore the labyrinthine gardens, marvel at the intricate architecture, and enjoy the enchanting atmosphere that has inspired poets and artists for centuries. The town's unique microclimate contributes to its lush vegetation, adding to its fairytale charm. Sintra's blend of natural beauty and architectural wonders makes it a must-visit destination for those seeking a magical experience. The Azores, nature's masterpiece. Located between Europe and North America, the Azores archipelago is renowned for its verdant pastures, thermal pools, towering cliffs, and glistening crater lakes. Visitors can immerse themselves in thermal springs, explore crater lakes, embark on whale-watching tours, and hike various scenic trails. The island's unique volcanic landscapes and rich biodiversity make them a paradise for nature enthusiasts. The Azores' commitment to sustainable tourism ensures that its pristine environments are preserved, offering travelers an unspoiled natural experience. The Douro Wine Region, a connoisseur's delight. Nestled in central Portugal, the Douro Wine Region is often hailed as the Burgundy of Portugal due to its elegant and aromatic red wines. Encircled by imposing mountains, this enchanting area boasts sprawling pine and eucalyptus forests, creating a unique microclimate ideal for viticulture. The region has around 20,000 hectares of wine production spread across 376,000 hectares of land. The Douro is the birthplace of the Touriga Nacional grape, a key variety in many of Portugal's finest wines. Visitors can embark on the Douro wine route, which includes 48 participating wineries, offering a chance to explore historic vineyards, taste exquisite wines, and discover charming villages that dot the landscape. The region's granite soils and temperate climate contribute to the production of elegant red wines, primarily from the Touriga Nacional grape. Wine enthusiasts can visit local wineries to learn about traditional winemaking techniques and enjoy tastings that highlight the region's unique terroir. The Douro's combination of rich history, scenic beauty, and exceptional wines makes it a must-visit destination for connoisseurs and casual travelers alike. Alcochete, a tranquil retreat. Less than an hour from Lisbon, Alcochete offers cobblestone streets, whitewashed houses with blue accents, and an authentic atmosphere. The town is known for its natural beauty, including the annual migration of flamingos that color the marshes pink. Situated on the south bank of the River Tejas, Alcochete's foundation dates back to the 7th century after the Moors conquered Lisbon, and its name derives from the Arabic word for kiln, as several have been found in the local area. The town's proximity to the Tagus Estuary Nature Reserve makes it an ideal spot for birdwatching and enjoying serene landscapes. Visitors can explore the charming old town, visit local churches, and enjoy fresh seafood at riverside restaurants. Alcochete's blend of history, culture, and natural beauty offers a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. The Algarve, Europe's California. The Algarve region, often referred to as the California of Europe, boasts rich culture, beautiful beaches, quaint fishing villages, farm stays, and a vibrant culinary scene. It's a must-visit destination offering a blend of relaxation and adventure. The Algarve's southern coastline features over 150 beaches, spanning 200 kilometers, with 300 days of sunshine each year. These beaches exhibit diverse beauty, from rugged, wave-battered shores favored by surfers to tranquil coves and family-friendly options. Noteworthy beaches include Praia da Salima, an authentic fishing village surrounded by cliffs with dinosaur footprints, and Praia da Marina, an iconic cliff-backed beach accessed by a long staircase. The region's rich culture is evident in its quaint fishing villages, farm stays, and vibrant culinary scene, making it a must-visit destination offering a blend of relaxation and adventure. And that, my fellow wanderers, is the magic of Portugal's Enchanted Backroads. From sipping world-class wines in the Douro region to strolling through medieval villages and basking in the golden glow of the Algarve, Portugal is a dream waiting to be explored. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Book that trip, pack your bags, and let Portugal's timeless beauty sweep you off your feet. And before you go, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss more epic travel adventures. Got a favorite hidden gem in Portugal? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories.